Hi lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. My old subscribers, thank you so much. You guys are awesome. I really appreciate you. Thank you for always watching my videos. And my new subscribers, you are highly welcome to the family. Thank you so much. And also, if you are watching me today and you've not yet subscribed, please click on the subscribe button below and also the bell icon beside it, because that's what will notify you whenever I upload new videos. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieve this everyday simple makeup look. Very simple and easy to do. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. I'm going to start by creating my eyebrow. I have a video on how to get a perfect natural looking eyebrow. I'll put the link in the description area, and also it will pop up somewhere there. You can go check it out. When I use my concealer, I'm using this color to clean it up. Now I'm done with my eyebrow, so I'm going to prime my face with this primer. I've already moisturized my face, so I'm going to add a little bit of primer. I'm done applying my primer, so it's time for me to put on my foundation. This is the foundation that I'll be using. Is a powder foundation. This is how it looks like in the box. It's a Kiko Milano foundation. Okay, this is how it looks like straight from the box, and like this. And also apply, you get this from it. Okay, a makeup sponge. This one is a new one. I just wanted to show you this. This is the one that I'm already using. You can see I'm already using this one. This is a new one, so I wanted to show you how it looks like. It's a quick makeup, so we need something simple and fast. This foundation is a powder foundation, so you have to moisturize your skin very well before applying it, because it can be drying. You just pat. Very simple to do. Powder foundation does not take much time. Here is it. I'm done applying my foundation. This is a Revolution eyeshadow palette. This is my mascara. Soft contouring lip liner. Here I spray my face with a setting spray. Now I'm done with my makeup. This is my everyday look makeup. Very fast and simple. No liquid foundation, it's only powder foundation, and it's good. Just moisturize your skin very well before applying it. As you can see, very simple. No contouring, no blush, no highlights, nothing, and you get a perfect look. Here is it. So thank you for watching today's video. Please feel free to share this video, click the like button, and also subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.